Hey, Silver Tubers, it is Mr. Zeke coming to you from the Silver Pouring Bench. I have a bit of an unboxing to do today. It's a rather unusual one. I had a special request from a viewer who makes coin rings. Um, and he asked if I could take the scraps. He uses constitutional silver to make the coin rings out of, and he asked if I could take the scraps he has left over, slugs and whatnot, melt it down and do a pour with it. And so first let's find out what we have in the package. I hope everyone is doing well out there in Silver Tube land. I know I haven't been as active as I have in the past. Things have been very hectic and crazy and busy here. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so we got a bunch of little slugs from this, looks like the center of coins. And so, check the package. Okay, all clear. And let's see, we're going to lay all this out. I don't know, I've kind of basically watched what's involved in making the rings, but these are, I guess, error rings and some other stuff. And there's a 1 ounce round in there, 1 troy ounce silver, and the rest of this looks like, you know, the beginnings of rings that did not pan out. Didn't come out right, and so it all looks like silver to me. And these little slugs are just so cool. These must be what he cuts out of the center. If I can get this to focus, it's part of the eagle. The other side is part of the other side of the coin. And so we're going to throw all this in the crucible. Here's one that did not apparently come out right. $50. Is this a Kennedy or is this yeah. Interesting coin, interesting ring. Liberty. So we're going to throw all this into the crucible and get it good and hot and liquid, and see if we can't pour a man in the moon, one of the man in the moon pours with it into the Delft clay. And so we'll be back when the mold is made and the silver is melted. Hang tight. Alright, Silver Tubers, we're back. We've got the coin silver in the furnace at a balmy 2040 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to try and pour this moon face. I don't know how this is going to work, just because it's 90% silver, not pure silver, so it's going to cool faster. So we are going to try to pour it as quick as possible so it doesn't solidify part way through the pour into the mold. And here we go. Crucible's good and hot. That's good. That should keep the silver. Oh yeah, we had plenty of silver in there. So I'm going to take, you can see it's off color. That's the other materials in there. I'm going to put that back in the crucible. We'll pour something out of that here after that turns. You can see it's still glowing, it's still flaming. It looked like a pretty good pour. I had a pretty good sized pour hole. Knowing that it's 90%, it should come out like a dull gray color. My biggest concern is that it cooled as it was going in. So let's crack this thing open here. Which side? Trying to remember which side was face up. Ooh. It's got that coin colored look to it. It hit the oxygen and sort of it turned yellow, and now it's back to silver. So let's grab it by the sprue here and lift it out and roll it out. I'm just going to go ahead and dump it. there it was. There was the rump. Let's see how she came out. Well, she got a bit rougher on the edges, but there she is. The edges ought to file down. I'll actually clean this one up because that face looks like it came out nice. Can't tell if that's pitting. I'll probably cut the sprue off and tumble it. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. So, but there it is. There's a coin silver pour. 90% constitutional scraps from making coin rings. We'll have to see how the final polish up and tumble up comes out. So, cheers everybody. I appreciate you following along. Mr. Zeke from the Silver Pouring Bench. I hope everybody has a wonderful week. And in the meantime, stack often, stack steady, and stack and have fun. Cheers.